876, critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.
And good afternoon. I'm Whit Johnson in New York. We're coming back on the air because the judge has just sentenced Sean Diddy Combs to 4 years in prison. He was found guilty over the summer on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution in connection with his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura and another woman, but was acquitted on more serious charges that could have sent him to prison for life. Let's get right to our chief investigative correspondent, Aaron Katursky, who's been following this trial from the beginning. He joins us from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. So, Aaron, we just got the verdict right there. We know that Combs himself spoke to the judge. The judge responded. Lay out the sentencing here and what went down in the courtroom today.
She said he has to stay.
This was a very long sentencing hearing which Sean Combs himself, once larger than life, was left begging for mercy, standing at the defense table, telling the judge that he's a changed man, apologizing for his behavior. But that request for a lenient sentence of time served was rejected by the judge, Arun Subramanian, who said it was insufficient to send the kind of message that he wanted to send, that violence against women must be met with real accountability. And so he sentenced Sean Combs to 4 years in prison. That's not as much as federal prosecutors here wanted. They wanted 11 years in prison, reminding the judge that Sean Combs has a penchant for violence and abuse, pointing to 2016 hotel security video showing Combs attacking Cassie Ventura. Combs says he knows that video intimately. He apologized to Cassie Ventura. The judge said 11 years was unreasonable, but 4 years is just the right amount, the judge said, to send a message to Sean Combs, to victims of domestic violence. That
Boy, that the whole place shake, could better know that. So watch the BadCast family. Welcome back. You see what I say? Pause. But welcome. You see what I say? You don't know reasoning versus reality right now. We have one topic there, so we want to talk about. You don't know me and my virgin RomPom. And we Casper guess. Because you don't know me. You say, yeah, go out. So you can't see, but the friendly ghost is here. You see what I say? But now I'm gonna lie, still, we are stepping on some dangerous ground tonight. So, with that being said, we have incognito. They must say the incognito security protection for all your security services. We feel safe. We're not saying no afraid. We can tell you that. Yeah. I told you I'm showing the camera them, but top tier security. You hear me I say? Yeah, man. Training and everything. Big up on yourself, incognito. Sure, them. You see what I say? Believe, man. Believe, man. Believe. Yeah, man. So what you know? I realize say every time when I cultural icon them reach to one part where them go where when they have power to do something for black people. Over on the west side, because they don't play them the game they over on the east, you know. You see what me I say? Yeah, man. But over on the west side, where they control the black people them easily. Anytime when I cultural icon them with them build up, you know, reach from one level where them go get freedom for we in anything at all. Scandal, accusation.
Now, if Bill Cosby's in jail, if R. Kelly's in jail, why did New York City's City Council decide to create this gender-based violence protection initiative, which already existed, but they added a 2-year window out of the blue? It's a 24-year-old law. 2 years ago, it's been around 22 years. And y'all say if there's any woman in New York City who's ever been sexually harassed, abused by any man at any time in your life, you have from March 1st of 2023 to March 1st of 2025 to bring a civil suit. No statute of limitations. If Bill Cosby is already locked up, if R. Kelly is already locked up, if Harvey Weinstein is already locked up, why did they come up with that law? In my opinion, they came up with that law to take down Sean Carter and Sean Combs. That was the Puffy Jay-Z bill. Weinstein's in jail, R. Kelly's in jail, Bill Cosby's in jail. Why do y'all need to come up with a 2-year window that let women go all the way back in time and accuse any man they know? And mind you, you can't bring a criminal suit. It's only for money. That tells me you only made this rule to go after rich people. Black celebrities, bro.
You see, he's triggering me. Jordan.
Jordan get like something like dividends pay for like $300 million.
Yeah.
Michael Jordan's biggest headache these days might just be having too much money. The $300 million dividend he received last year isn't even spent yet, and this year, another $340 million has already landed in his account. Even if the legend does absolutely nothing all year, once Nike's dividend day arrives, he can simply hop on his private jet and fly home with the cash. To put it in perspective, that $340 million is almost equal to the annual profits of companies like Luckin Coffee or Haidilao. And without Jordan, there wouldn't be the Nike we know today. That's why Nike rewards him with annual dividends. For life. And the benefit even passes down to his heirs. Mansions, supercars, luxury yachts, private jets. He's bought them all. Yet the spending doesn't even scratch the surface of his dividends. Maybe this really is the world's most extravagant problem. Waking up each morning, not wondering how to make money, but simply...
And buy if you get the next one.
If me not lie, Jordan, either Jordan or Kobe. That's why I tell you, say Kobe dead spooky people. Either Jordan or Kobe. I go check it and put the name right here, so me couldn't know when they done. But one out of them two there, did either one do one league where would a rival the NBA in a China. You see me I say? Because they love Jordan and Kobe like God over China, you know, bro. Zine or one shoes. I think Kobe did go do the shoes with a rival Nike. Zine. So, listen, me know, you see Jordan I get dividends and thing. I within under matrix that we just give that now. Because you see what you did go do, we would have to kill you. Or we would have to put some rape charge on you. And here's a baller, you smoke cigars. We can easily paint that picture. And guess what now? Guess what? I the greatest weapon, people, because I this trick me out, you know. I'm want to pay attention. Don't make it. You see me I say, no, black people from the west side are the greatest weapon.
There's no love what you say. Oh no, I don't say we because we.
I know we. No, I know we, no. I know we. Then
when I make it look like say, I support or stand with black leaders then when they look up, you know. See?
Yeah.
But to me, most all of them things, the allegations, the money get charged, kind of.
All right. That are for him people. And me.
And apart from Diddy beating up him, what's that from video? With all Bill Cosby and all, we not rush it, but we just against some.
No rush me, I say enough for rush man. Me I say, no, actually you say Diddy and beating up in woman. Actually, me don't want to say it and sound insensitive, but the reality of the world, people, I don't know this. Every day I want to see woman get beaten by them, man. I want to see all woman beat them, man. So this, just because them people are stars and in a light, I am not going to go like, oh, you shouldn't hit Cassidy. Cassidy getting paid as shit. This is what I say.
No, what I talk about, I fact say we able to see it. We hear about domestic.
Yes. We see it all the while now. We play too. We don't see it from one public viewing from one of we star them. And that I think what make them so different, they know God.
I'm going to show you a difference. I'm seeing it. I would have liked you when we watch Eminem video and I'm going to show you a bully scene. I would have liked seeing one bully in one movie. And see how a bully a beat up it. If somebody will not react. Every time you punch him or box him or whatever, he not react to fight.
Yeah.
They continuously beat him up every day. So alright, seeing the video, you show Cassina weak point and show he's stronger. Somebody as a man was supposed to defend a woman. And him a beat on the woman. So that make anybody with some moral objective will look on it and say, yo, no, that you need to black or white. They will look on it and say, no, I'm not rate that. That fucked up, bro. Because you're strong with money and power. And everything. And you beat your man so.
You ever see when the hillbilly them a beat all them woman? Well, I know you ever see when the hillbilly them a beat them woman in the movie them. Yeah, well, I know in the movie them. Zine. All the picnic come in, the big son come in, or little son come in. Go to your fucking room, Junior. Eh? Brother, where come off? Oh. No, well, I know. No, all right, what we see in a real life, Me over hospital, see man a broken blood clot woman neck and police are forward. And hold on no. Hombre fling well little boy like a paper. Zin, you know where rest of people them turn up and do? Where did that run off them out? Then shut up now, cause if I squad that I gone for back up. We see it. And I tell us a movie, I paint the pictures. What I say is the white people them do it. Everybody do it. The culture do it. But here we go now. It now get highlighted and repeated in news them unless it's a black smaddy. Dog, Epstein thing still not come. Not straight.
Yo, you know say that youth knows away. Knows away. You know say that knows how reach altercation the female where you have to put the hand for you. The hand for your female. For her not that thing. But you know say that
You shouldn't do it none at all.
you should alright.
But it happened so many times, right?
You sure say something well enough. You sure say you shouldn't do it.
Yeah.
You as a youth, you may do it to your female, you know. You see if they road and see it happen to a next female, they don't feel good enough.
Exactly. So now me show you said that the thing they now Zine, them are thing are things where them program in a way. Them you would have call it morals, you know. I understand morals. Zine, but there's a fine line. You have some things where them program in a way for we bash our own people of our own community, our own culture. As we said that are only on this side of the world, like Western hemisphere. Zine, so watch you now. We have to talk about the whole of them because me see the same pattern, the same style them, in a some way icon them. Dog, I mean they are Jamaica yes, and hear them a tear down some of the icon them and I wonder what go on, bro. And the truth I get revealed when the people them dead. Not even when they're in a jail for 30 years, you know. When they're dead. Now make me show you know fool you know sit down here so you never hear about one white somebody get in a problem, dog. Charlie Sheen have AIDS and I do acting. For how much show on them thing the same way after.
No, look here, it's a show where man do after I find out say have AIDS. It's about like a white brother will reach a climax in career, you know, that athlete or whatever, but he get any female. Means say that I see my movie. They say everybody around him, I wonder say yo, oh this man I get any woman he look on. I sleep with them by a morning. And that I see my movie. You understand me? Anyone have AIDS, and then he come reveal it for one of them talk show there. Say you have AIDS. The man then tell the people okay how long you know. The man just come reveal it one day so. I know people there say why you reveal it because somebody find out and they blackmail him. So eventually he doesn't come out with it.
Pay attention here, people. You see what I say? No, just pay attention.
Right now.
No, I will bring receipt, you know. Because Dr. Umar tell you the same thing and some holy part of man just tell you, no, here say. You see me I say? So, I feel like we can dip in this conversation, you know. Yeah, because I don't want to afraid it too, you know. But incognito there.
I don't think any black man needs 1,000 bottles of baby oil. But I haven't seen anywhere in federal law where owning 1,000 bottles of baby oil is a federal crime.
I told that because you know. You have to have to me, you're supposed to have your own premiums kind of like. You don't feel like you're supposed to listen to social media. Say, a person like I didn't know. It's a man that we have been like. Me, I don't know him. You know. We have some people know him and come out and say things. You know. See? For example, this baby things and what. You understand the way I say? Yeah. So, you say be here for them things. I'm not going to lie, I laugh. No? I'm going to tell you why I laugh. It's a majority of people who involved in their life, baby, it was happening. What they want to do. You understand what I say? So if they want to do that, I didn't idea know. It's like a one man get caught up in it. Some people, most of them not talk, they don't say nothing, they just stay away from it. But a lot of them are going like them go 3 man on their bus now. When you see involved in it, bro.
I say to you what they say. I know long time black people rich in America. That make them enough of them not know how to deal with their money. And that's why they not really enough of them not really like Jay-Z as rapper, you know. You see what I say? Cause he never fi be the youth they from the ghetto, he never did fi come angry corporate world the way there. It wasn't intended. Zane, you as a rapper way, you get your money and fuck you up. A bad mind for enough of them, and that's why you hear Jay-Z underrated. You see what I say? When I say black people make it, yeah man. I say I seen her think Rick Ross say, yo, I'm from the place where they hate to see another nigga make it. You see me? I say, I'm so sophisticated. Yeah, man. Dog, listen me na brethren. Them design fi keep we down. We can't reach too far. Man, we can't receive them car. You know how way Michael Jackson do, right? Dog, in Jamaica yourself, you know old enough to remember. Me live fi say the Beat It King, the Thriller King, this a nigga ya, everybody I call pedophile. And I tell me saying in touch with a white boy from Home Alone.
When I like hearing them. So remember them story they for show. Watch them.
Bro.
You must know. I tell you. Everything. It's too old. Like get painted. Like the Michael Jackson case. You can be a person who does genuinely love kids. And the world now starting to look like say this man had some ulterior motive at the end.
You're cool. You're cool. You know, supernatural when the ghosts them a react. We get shivers. So like it's not a topic where the ghost start react when we cool. You hear ghost, you hear Casper there from I tell you I start but out. And that with majority of Jamaicans, and that's why I mention it. I saw no for one go there and say you're mad. Who boy touch a little boy them for real.
Yo, look here no man, give me a second man. They tell me say first parents them we didn't know them, right? They never promote or say whether they promote or say anything or nothing.
Yeah.
But it's like everybody wait to reach to one point, everybody just start promoting one and the other.
Yeah. Why?
I see him
it happened.
Cosby.
Oh, it happened.
I don't remember.
Michael Jackson make sure tell himself, he say, yo, biggest regretting I've signed the first second paper there. Who you feel like force who you feel like force one second pan him. Now see them white people in a matrix, I tell them say, yo Michael, listen Michael. It's better we settle this before it gets out in the papers. Them same pussy all that's so them forward to now. So them forward to ya. So we reach pan boat and reach ya. You hear me I set on and make them trick on the bridge and I say me hate see it dog. Or black people deal it. Me say bro, me say Michael Jackson, the king of never land, bro. The king of pop G. The man owned the Beatles, people. Michael Jackson buy the Beatles while doing the music video with the Beatles. The man owned the Beatles. That alone make them they want to kill him. And that's how the allegation start. The man double down on that. The man go either own Sony or majority. Yeah, majority of Sony. And I tell them, say, oh, no, them only have 2 more albums to give them, and me write them there already. So I don't even like me, I stress myself. And me win. You see, that's so? Game on in here, man. Me I tell the brethren, listen me, all I sit them start come out right there. So, alright. Uno no feel like a joke me I make. Uno no hear say, OJ Simpson, never kill a girl. And we there so last years. But the man liar. Where the man liar, tell on in a brethren. Say I know man you know. Eh?
Far and not. Emmett Till. They lynch hang. If they say whistle at our white man.
Baby. The white man on our deathbed I say yo. No, but when me I say is Emmett Till would be a regular civilian. But that is a good analogy for sure. So what you know, when the white people use their system, it's easy. It no matter who you be, if you're regular or you're big. You see when you're big, then use we as cannon fire and attack our own artists. Them, oh Michael Jackson about the boy, stop listening to music, no beat it.
Our greatest downfall. It's like to me. You're gonna be like on Charleston why now. We just blame the white people and Virgin Malcolm X. It's said to be black people who kill the bomb clam and another.
We.
They say we.
But a we are them. No RomPom. Listen, no, this not happen in Africa. This not happen in Africa. Over upon the Western world, them program them little Carlton. Some.
They didn't call them slave there.
Oh, slave.
Them there, no. I fight against field slave, you know.
Oh, slave. I'm a field slave. Don't play with me. You're a whole slave. Go shine cutlery. You see me? I'll play the corners where the hustlers be, but you can play the corners where the butlers be.
I never see the R. Kelly in whole heap of video that I play everybody's supposed to see now. But I saw one where you cannot fully see R. Kelly. And he literally a piece.
Funny girl, what should you want? Hold on, now, listen me now.
No, listen me man. That girl wasn't fully of age yet. So what I'm saying, even if she said she wanted it or not, she's not at the age to give you that consent. So
I'm sure you will.
so, listen me, did have the opportunity to have whole heap of young girls around it. We know saying many other things, white people didn't think it all that matter about. But what I say is we cannot deny when we see we black giants them do anything there. We cannot deny that.
Yeah.
But what I say is
why we are see it? No, that like hold on the people, hold on, just stick up in now. I want to ask some people, ask yourself the question. Hold on, man.
Why we are proud of all that one thing that we see, we know, sorry, we see that. Why we are proud of that? We racialize them to completely sinking career. We know as a black somebody if you say, watch on alright, you know, me see that one day. Yeah, me see that. Do like when Dave Chappelle laugh at it, you know, so me see my face for sure. I saw that shit, he was directly pissing. But what? Me not see what else you want to talk about. So only can prove them to me. We just know say this man pissed. For me, that's how Dave Chappelle do it. Dave Chappelle make sure tell you say for me. And you want me piss for you man, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna piss. I
say that them people that don't hear so sing a little song where man I tell girls say come and pit in your mouth and they say me not say two different. But you hear me I say no brethren. But me I say what I think a rupee, me no remember what song name you know. Where dog I say yo, little mommy I don't know your name. Oh little mommy don't even know your age. Wanna dance to that blood clot there you see. Me know a rupee, me no remember what song name you know. You see me I say only you can turn me on. Something like that. Zin, but here me I say no brethren. Asking yourself a question. Why you want to see it? You want to say you want to see it. RomPom say you want to see it, you know. Zin, and why you want to crowd up on it, you know. But me I go take it one step further. Why you want to see it? Yeah. R. Kelly, they make it tape. And I first somebody make sex tape. Or make tape. You understand? And I first tape all leak and then white people shit that. Why we could get one piece of white people shit. Bro, the Pope been fucking kids. Don't tell me about the first one with no younger girl shit. On a people sick. Bumbleclad, Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. What the Bumbleclad mother there on a batty boy?
The Vatican thing. What's the Vatican thing that's supposed to be? That had been classified for their name forever since for a long time. But the thing
pedophiles.
People not see it. I mean, say, this the way not see it. The moment they see R. Kelly, they see from one thing that make people must believe the other thing them. But me I say, as a black nation, right, we supposed to demand proof before we sing to black.
Bro, well I know. Uno used to dance to R. Kelly. You know how powerful R. Kelly was?
The man powerful said it.
No, he not powerful said we. He's fucking weak right now. Fucking weak. Non-influential. If you ever say R. Kelly, if you ever say his song them not even powerful no more because them get shelf. In Matrix system, I shelf them. I give we black people, I give them a reason. Cancel culture. I them create that, you know. And we are weapons, we are fuel, you know. Yes, what I say, bro. Dog, listen to me. How much R. Kelly on a mother grew up and listen? Oh, no, tell me saying did I forget? Look again. Alright.
Yo, up till now, me I step in the name of love.
Brethren.
You gonna step in the name of love.
Yo, yeah, but I want to go to the man car. I got step. Just pray the song with the man go for. Uno people, brethren, nobody not give it one wall trapped in the closet. Zin, the man not sure we were really a going in our world, but then did that try hide. Zin, until trapped in the closet, I sure we say, some Chuck and Rufus. But
yeah, it's black people, and let me tell you, certain things where they can't. Nobody can make me hate Whitney Houston. It's Whitney Houston, he hide them, hides them. I love Whitney Houston, like, brother, all of that woman they're born. gold chuck load of if way better than him, we used to send go like them to America. If him did that same coke to only one, somebody that would use that.
They're the same Castro. Pablo.
Oh,
Castro, I the dictator.
Hey, you got to show them bodyguard. Jesus God, man. It's when the woman that sing, where's song him again? I will always love you. Jesus God. Yo, we there on YouTube. We say that. When you wanna sing that. It's when the camera go close up and you look like a woman here. Yeah, tell me. Ali Berry.
Listen me now. Hold on. Now you're gonna further and left Whitney. Whitney voice so powerful and so influential. Nobody can mimic it. Zane, Whitney did I get deeper and deeper in the industry. I own her shit. I want to know and Whitney own her shit them. Oh, Whitney clean and then all of a sudden she die of a drug overdose. I want to ask herself. And then when you go bash her, oh, see, the one's a crackhead, oh, he's a crackhead. Only a good thing, cancer culture may come out in a Michael Jackson and Whitney time, or else we wouldn't have their music, they feel. My love will always go on, Whitney, but your songs wouldn't. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Bro, look on Bill Cosby charge you. What you feel like they rush Bill Cosby for? Dog, Bill Cosby, I model black father. All if you was a hoodlum charge it. You tell yourself, so when you start your family, I saw you want corporate, easy back, run family table with your youth them and your wife and
man when they family like a military and they mean say family military, not really. You understand?
you don't know how much show Bill Cosby produce. You don't know how much show influence where Bill Cosby produce.
You see that? Who basically right now have a light and a shine light with Bill Cosby did have. That team man with a black man. And last night I tell him say me now watch man show call man a Batman. Last night I tell him man that because I see brother a man who own incomplete production studio right now. You know see
and watch out now. Listen me now, people. Listen me now. I'm afraid of Batty boy. Let me tell you that. Please don't rush me. I'm afraid of Batty boy. But let me tell you this. Zane, me wouldn't bring Tyler Perry in this, but him, I get fight. Same way I wouldn't bring Oprah in it, but she, I get fight. Bro, they have to sign corporate or they will get slaughtered. Tyler Perry, I get fight right now. He's not first Batty boy. He's not even first black Batty boy. Yeah, what I say? He's my first black Batty boy where I get too powerful in the movie industry.
Now, let me show you about Tyler Perry.
Yeah, what I say to you?
Yo, you see, you right format how black people live.
That.
I like how Bill Cosby does something.
Yeah. Which is?
If we had a Bill Cosby, like how for example, he show
you mean, yeah, the unity. Yeah. Community, love and strength. Yes.
You understand me?
No, them they are message. Well, on bro.
If we had a Tyler Perry, no, what we are going to
don't let me finish my statement, man. You see my trigger me people. You see he's triggering me. He cut me off. Zin, and you cut me off and talk about Tyler Perry. We have the footage of the people know.
No, you cannot.
Zin,
why this man they know fair sign them to know what you talk about. And basically him would have been we leaders the youth them look up to. And man we have put on frack and shit and I suppose Madia and also Bumbuckler like that. And me I say if we are gonna look up to him instead of Bill Cosby, what are going to do for we as black people?
Me understand that. So it got destroyed, but that I look up to. Now Tyler Perry is not somebody we would look up to, and we understand.
Every one of our black people,
Yeah.
But they are gonna find some black kids who look up to him and say, yo, so this man own everything.
Yeah, me understand what you say. It feels maybe if he just put on one frack and go okay, alright. But you hear what me I say? But you hear what me I say? Zane, Tyler Perry make waves in a movie industry for black people. You see what about white people in a show, but no make them use the narrative and trick on. You see what me I say? Of black people and I might get a fight for that. Zane. So watch and I'm back to Bill Cosby because as me said dog, Bill Cosby did not teach black men how to be decent youths. The system can't have that because they need the narrative. Them say every 1 out of 5 black man born I will go to jail. They no say it possibly, you know. Them say every 1 out of 5 black man born I go to jail. A good thing. A 2 away there son the friendly ghost. I would tell you say 1 away I go to jail. Why you 2 way attack dog? Are they? The blood clot we never reach. Yeah, I will never go. Zin, I will never go. Zin, another 1 out of 2. This, your blood clot, yeah. No, but watch out. I will then say. If you go and then I ask you a choice tonight, you know. Then program if you go so and look and listen what me I say to people. You hear what me I say? So we are gonna send one and only anywhere we take it. Zin, that I control what they have. Bill Cosby did a frig up that when he teach you them to be decent. Remember Bill Cosby, you know him, different world. A Bill Cosby blood clot Bill that, you know. No, me don't know. Me know you know it's half your time, you know, and half my time, you know. Aye. Then which channel I want a powerful channel them back in the days, if you can remember, network station, because you don't have much, you know. If you check it out, you don't really have much.
No, I can't tell you what I remember.
Yeah.
Warner Brothers.
Good.
Disney.
Good.
Which other one? The other one. I want them call a lion bunny.
Warner Brothers, I think. A Golden Gate, or something like that. What them people with the lion?
And the next one with this somebody with
it touch. American Liberty touch. Zane, alright, hear me say now. Zane, I go back to Warner Brothers. Just for a second. Black people save enough of them company there when them go fall. Movies. Where black people, then Jaffe black people them now if come give you one hot show. That's all they have for entertainment, my friend. Mr. Bro. Mr. Bridgin. Then just have for entertainment. While last show we saved, I think, stars. Empire saved the whole network there. The year me I said to you, Zane, couple show for real, bro. When you talk about Warner Brothers would have fucking sink if it wasn't for Blade coming out. When Blade come out, you know, charge it. That is facts, you know, bro. You can't go look for that, you know. You hear what I say to you, know? So, I just entertainment they have for use we, put we up there, make we big, and when we get too big and start, and we can get big as we fuck want get big, you know. Zane, that's why OJ they thinking white. That's why you hear me say, I'm not black, I'm OJ. Nigga, okay. Yeah, dog. The fuck, brother. Bill Cosby, let me finish. Bill Cosby did that by NBC, and them want you, and them the name them the one you call ABC, America Broadcast Channel, NBC, National Broadcast Channel, them big.
And they buy
big.
them?
I buy that one buy NBC. That time money where this black boy make. Bill Cosby, influential, popular, fucking rich this nigga get. No, Bill Cosby with NBC. When you have a hand and 10 toes in every other blood clot sitcom or movie where influence black unity already, what you are gonna do with a channel like National Broadcast? I can't tell you, so you can't buy it because you have the funds. And just like when they try to tell Michael, say Michael, the Beatles like 3 million. Your dog say, that's a lot of money. Next day, Michael, how did you buy the Beatles? That's a lot of money. I gave you you said it's 3 million. I gave you 3.6. That's a lot of money. You gonna tell me something can't buy it? Eh? Oh, you gonna tell me something can't buy it?
Brother, you know, one time as a youth, we never sure this be. But we used to hear as a youth one time say Michael Jackson can only do one song. Mostly a year or some shit like that. Remember we used to hear that thing there? I will just say no. One man of it.
I think upon the Sonic contract, and we never know we there. So I say I see thing there. I saw the contract. You did under that time there. You see me I say?
And that was it. The Sonic contract, but we just never know. As a youth of them thing that we just pre do, we know say this brother here.
One thing can't buy you them broke, dog.
Remember say you have people, white people, you just look
and use we for do it.
White girl, we just see their footage there, you know. White girl sing one pan stage and faint, you know.
No superstar sealer like Michael Jackson in life.
Really?
Media say no superstar no reach Michael Jackson status. None no reach, you know. But who was the closest? Same somebody where we chat about yourself. Where them man they can forward and do a medley for 7 minutes and the whole fucking crowd dead.
Fucking
When a woman's fed up.
R. Kelly.
Half on the baby. All I need is your body next to me. Singing ooh, ooh, na, 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 na. Your body, na, 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 na. I can't sleep, babe. I can't think, babe. I can't live, babe, without you in my life. What the hell is going on between the sheets in my home? Baby, wait, let me explain before you start to point your cane. Girl, I'm about to have a fit. Oh, it's about to be. How did I get into this? Should've never came home with the low down dirty woman. Back to where you come from. But baby, wait. But when my ass hit the streets, your ass is bright. Mr. Biggs before you're done. Wait, how do you know my name, son? Honey, wait, I was gonna tell you. Move, this cat looks real familiar. No, no. Now don't I know you from somewhere a long time ago? No, no, I don't think so. Yeah, yeah, I feel I know you, brother, very well. No, no, you're mistaking me for somebody else. Shut up, can't you see two men are talking? Thought I told your ass to get to walking. Now I think I better leave this place, 'cause I'm about to. After the show, it's the after party, then after the party, it's the hotel lobby, then after the belly, then it's probably Chris, and after the original, it's probably us. This is my story, yeah, I'm from that Chi-Town dirt. I went from being broke to sleeping in Versace shirts. This is my story, money, cars, bad hole. This is my story, and I'm sticking to it, 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 and I'm sticking to it. Rolling through the hood, just stop by and say what's up. Let you know your baby boy ain't doing so tough. When a woman's fed up, no matter how you big, no, it ain't nothing you can do about it. Ladies in the building, if you feel me, put your hands in the air. Come on. La 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 la. La. Oh la. I don't see nothing. You know I can't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind, baby. I don't see nothing. You know I can't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind, baby. My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes, baby. I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess. Bounce, 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 bounce. I hear you calling. Here I come, baby, to save you. Temperature's rising. Your body's yearning for me. Sexy ladies in the building, put your hands in the air. It seems like you're ready. Seems Y'all know the song? Yeah. You must be used to me spending and all that sweet whining and dining. That's my song, y'all. That's my time. I gotta get out of here. I love y'all.
Yeah, idiot. Hey,
Brother,
dog.
think about it.
Nah, nah, nah,
Let's
nah.
have a stage show like what J. Cole do. The man could do that with only chopped in the closet alone.
NJ?
Just alone chopped in the closet.
Eh?
I mind chop, you have to continue it now on next performance. You know?
Brethren, listen me no man. One tour.
Yeah.
Me I do 4 episodes per tour. All will be sold
Just
out.
chopped in the closet alone, daddy.
Yeah, me I say. All 33
second
chapters. Hey, 33. About that, yes. All 33 chapters. 4 chapters per show. And all will be sold out. Me not ask Christ. Brethren, me say, alright, let me show you how R. Kelly was phenomenal. R. Kelly touch one MTV or one BET show for one performance. 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Motherfucking stars. The people them where we look for now, oh, they're rich, oh, they're famous. Yeah, man, you know the entertainment are starstruck. They on their feet, a clap on that. Happy people! Yeah, yeah. Yeah. When they make it call.
Yeah, man, I say. More you can acknowledge this though. Say you watch out. You see, human beings can get rich and have power enough. That's it corrupt them. Like absolute power means whatever you saying. You know that saying, right?
No, I don't know what I'm saying.
You don't know what I'm saying? Absolute power breed corruption or something like that, man. But you want me say that?
That power is
You want me
corruption.
say that now? You see, a person I call R. Kelly, you see, level of power when did have, when did bring to command females. You see, by hearing allegations like these, they may not be far-fetched. But my point is, not saying you not do them. You understand me? I say. But if you do whatever you do, we should come up with proof. We the black
people.
nation, black people. No, if you just dash the man and I both not figure out all the way man do before because we start here them and no one not get no proof.
We as the black people, the white man give we Bible and the Bible teach forgiveness. So when them do a foolishness, we forgive. But we not forgive our own people them. Me not understand or no. That me not like. That me not like.
Virgin, you know see Charlie Kirk dead right now and Charlie Kirk says some things and you see Jamaica black people who jump up and say some things about Charlie Kirk. And really, although me agree say dead him dead still, you know. So me not gonna make it look like saying something about a dead person. But what me I say is we will more champion a white person after the fact than a black person. Me not understand that.
Me not understand it. No, me understand
yeah,
it.
You understand,
it's
bro.
A system. Me understand it.
Because in a case of Puff Daddy, well in a case of P. Diddy right now, right?
Yeah.
And my judge sentencing then say, although we're gonna show that. But you were so long me I go bring up it. In a case of Puff Daddy where they sentence it, this man will go to jail and go doing time and come back out, you know. And we as the black people ma beat him, more white people ma beat him, you know.
No, alright. Who me glad they touch upon though. Who we as the black people, how we beat them. Alright, me call it weaponized storytelling.
Yeah, they watch on alright.
In news media them, well I know a black influencer them.
In we drop all one album, I'll say after him come out, right? White people still listening because they need love it type of music when produced on day one. No, here comes some black people now. Like oh
my god, he just said he's Dr. Love. He's still on this shit. Yeah. I think they should send him back.
Brother, I saw roast breadfruit them there. Nobody can't tell me that. They're the breadfruit they roast.
So man enough of those sing about pum pum no more. And that me do you want to listen blow up Diddy? Who do you want to listen to Diddy for nothing else? Baby Turner. When dog say dance for
take that.
Yo, dog, bro.
No, Diddy.
Yo.
That's right now. You say take that.
Yeah.
Saying, I say,
dog, that's my culture. A girl me think him and did I tell that. And watch out, me no business where India tell that. A girl me I tell that. Dancing thing they grow away. R. Kelly I nigga me play in a video over there. R. Kelly are dead nigga. Wait. Then give with same girl. Then give with flirt. Then give it so many things. Them man they really make we know how if you go chat to Catty with style. You see me? Anyway, we were at them and they build with confidence. Now, bear in mind them and they kind of richer still. So when they talk, especially Diddy, you ever hear Diddy a rap? I say, baby, you ever been to the Bahamas? I can take you.
Yeah.
You have it? No, me I say, no, you hear me I say, I charge me never, me, I don't even know what sentence is that look.
Oh, God.
You see what I say?
I
You can't tell mama that.
I tell about the
You want to go back KFC?
I tell about the luxury jet and then thing they better.
Well, take one taxi and make you carry back here. Hey, no, but dog, our culture, the man them are destroy, and that what me I say is, when you need to understand the middleman in it and media, we up on the media do it for
free. To show you facts about it, that's why I'm Ray Charleston White, you know. So we beat them people, we literally do good said way about society. And then we have some artists where we know what I call them mumble rappers from the said black community. And all them go up on stage, go do a tell you say, oh, shot a man in the face. You get me? And if a man do this and do that and thief all your coke, murder him and his whole family.
That's all.
Other them the people, black people, them champion, you know. Well, I know, it's when a man like that get charged and go court. Like when they call him YSL house to ever. You have a whole of black people that say, yo, allow them to love them man and do nothing. And you get me, I say, I say, oh, we're champion. Yeah, I mean, Jamaica too, you know, me listen this morning and hear them. It's like, one catty were dead. When them find her body in a suitcase.
In a suitcase, me hear the story there, you know.
She have two brothers were dead. Almost some shit. But when time one of them did dead, the police kill, right? People come protest. When me I say, the whole place knows say the brother we're talking thing and say the whole place knows say this man a murderer. You know, it man shooting or whatever, you understand? The whole of them know that same as that person there. But when the catty they know and then find him body in a second there, none of them no protest. But when actual police did kill other youth, everybody come protest and go on with things. No, they know say this man did our next man kill him, you know. They're out there right now, you know, and nobody now protest, you know.
You see your hypocrisy in it.
What you mean if hypocrisy in it?
You see hypocrisy in it, Charlie. And that may I show you,
as
Bridget.
a female, they know where you know where basically now they think the way man do.
You're supposed to suffer-hearted, pan.
Yeah.
Bro, I tell you what.
Fucked up you.
Yeah, I'm sure you we part where as I say get that Zane. Come see this with money, you know. You see, nowadays when the scandal bust, one time he used to have to take his a big news channel then. Yeah. To twist his story if it, you know what I mean? Ray. Yeah, now, one tweet, I get retweet, and that everybody I run with. You look a clip them, clip them. Well, yeah. For who you think give them the blue tick there? White people them, bro. Me say you not Europeans, bro. Them people, I don't trust them. You see what me I say? Dog, me say, alright.
Elon Musk, African still.
African, you mean? Them and they carry Mars, dog. Believe in Elon. We believe in Elon. Dog, you see when I want white celebrity fuck create me to you hear it tone different. You hear something like they're struggling, they're human. Let's pray for them. You see what I say? But if I win,
he has a psychological dysfunction.
Dog, how they said to it, bro. Me say you know here, me say thou shall not. Then teach you forgiveness for forgive them. Brother, lock them up. Oh, she finished, then wicked.
Yo, this man is a predator, man. This man has so much money, and this man has so much female coming around him. And Walana, then Walana, man. Didn't say Walana, man. So I know we can't really paint Epstein as no predator, you know.
Nice,
did he get charged, you know, daddy?
And I go do 4 years. You know, I do it still.
And you find
out. Just hold on, let me just put a point to this to people. Let me tell you something. Diddy did that do all the percent because at that make us start this case, you know. Diddy. Seeing. Because we have thought Diddy case so long, but you don't know where you want to hear why judgment first. Now we know a judgment. Diddy. One reason get 4 years. After all of that, then see him parade him on the media and everything. Only reason get 4 years because he signed back the letter of cooperation there to Massa. I said, sorry, Massa, I not do it again. Man. Yeah, me I say.
The charges.
Yeah.
No.
What?
Okay, play it now. Can we listen to the charges down so might as well.
And good afternoon. I'm Whit Johnson in New York. We're coming back on the air because the judge has just sentenced Sean Diddy Combs to 4 years in prison. He was found guilty over the summer on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution in connection with his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura and another woman, but was acquitted on more serious charges that could have sent him to prison for life. Let's get right to our chief investigative correspondent, Aaron Katursky, who's been following this trial from the beginning. He joins us from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. So, Aaron, we just got the verdict right there. We know that Combs himself spoke to the judge. The judge responded. Lay out the sentencing here and what went down in the courtroom today.
She said he has to stay.
This was a very long sentencing hearing which Sean Combs himself, once larger than life, was left begging for mercy, standing at the defense table, telling the judge that he's a changed man, apologizing for his behavior. But that request for a lenient sentence of time served was rejected by the judge, Arun Subramanian, who said it was insufficient to send the kind of message that he wanted to send, that violence against women must be met with real accountability. And so he sentenced Sean Combs to 4 years in prison. That's not as much as federal prosecutors here wanted. They wanted 11 years in prison, reminding the judge that Sean Combs has a penchant for violence and abuse, pointing to 2016 hotel security video showing Combs attacking Cassie Ventura. Combs says he knows that video intimately. He apologized to Cassie Ventura. The judge said 11 years was unreasonable, but 4 years is just the right amount, the judge said, to send a message to Sean Combs, to victims of domestic violence, that they're
a company, or did I try? And that's why here they start try shut in and zoom in for ain't no party like a Diddy party now. They not even know that. Zane, look for Kanye West. He madman. Mad out, soon as the man start talk about ownership and shit.
What's the same thing with Dave Chappelle? The madman.
And that's why I tell you, me know Dave Chappelle sign back he corporate farm after. Cause somebody, them send one white man out there. Me feel so me feel they send one white man out of Africa there. Go find him when he go make him walk and tell him say, hey, listen here, buddy.
Where Dave Chappelle does things in farm?
Listen me now, eh?
When does things in farm?
I want to way forward back and still of importance, and then not try bash him no more. The only way you come back, dog. You see white people come back all the while.
In forward
the
back,
only way you come back.
To me, come back country himself and I boss.
Yeah.
So
I saw you would have seen, bro. I saw them making line you up, bro. Me say him not RomPom, come on, man.
He not too tough for him for that. I say that.
He and I, me say
he not get Lego.
He and I leash.
If he get Lego, he do a lot more.
Mr. They send the white man out there and say, listen, everybody. Truth is, you can stay out here in Africa all you want, but that's all you're going to get, desert. Because if you step 1 foot on U.S. soil, we got your ass.
You want me to say that? You see things from what they are away.
Sign back your letter right here, so and everything good. Fuck the 50 million.
You see things from what they are away. Him and couple like comedian them go Saudi Arabia though.
And
people beat them from what they are. I say to owe them go on with morals and when Saudi Arabia how them stay, them punish people for least thing and execution. And the man them go down there. Him, Bill Burr, and whole heap of American comedian go down there, man.
Yeah.
So them a get paid how much?
What you mean a whole for money?
Them a beat them bad from what they and I say.
How much Beyonce? Them pay Beyonce for one birthday party.
Like him and them a go. I man them literally sign that shit there. And since they not sign it, they have to try to get money from all other places. You see people wanna go and at them people my champion. At them who fear beat.
Listen, man, you see, if you're not signing RomPom, this is my belief. If you're not signing, there's no rejubilation, there's no getting back, there's no rehabilitation, there's no you getting slandered and come back and we stop slander you.
I'm gonna live like one big star.
No way at all.
And I say, Dave Chappelle only live as a big star to people who are pre in don't question.
Bro, listen.
You know really as star.
What about you hear in media about Dave Chappelle? Tell me last thing. And this me I try to show you. If you give me what bad you hear?
This.
Tell me now. What?
This me I tell you about now.
Alright? That's how you know. So what do you?
What them claim say bad? Because to me not consider it bad.
Alright. Give me one before that. Because I don't know about that, you know. So you have my question deep premature. Give me one before that. Zane,
see one
how
before
long would they start watching? This man friggin' own Netflix own Netflix in the people. Basically, you know what I mean?
I might tell you say one before that away in front talk about. See? He must say them classify him as a madman and classify him as say he must stay upstairs because he wanna go in Africa gonna try to find himself and one whole heap of thing.
Yo, listen me now, dog.
Them me know about.
Listen me now. And them they are in a stage when them a call him mad, when them that before he sign back his letter. That me I tell you, man sign his letter and come back and live with nice and normal and the biggest thing. Bro, don't tell me nothing, sign the letter. And people hear me and say no, me I go end the way yeah. You need to understand, say yo, we culture create diamonds. It's just unfortunate so we don't own the friggin' mines. Keeping yourself safe and out of matrix.
You see it. Because the white people want, hey, respecting the people.
Yeah, man.
And respect to his loyal subscribers.
Grassroots, big up on yourself, man. New people, you know do it yet.
See button there.
Blow.
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.